it's Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and thank you for joining me. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I just wanted to jump on and answer a question about how do you get your projects to dry faster. Simple, girls. You just use your blow dryer. But I'm going to show you how to actually do it with a project I just completed. I just got done, and I use an embossing tool just because when I'm doing on my Facebook Lives, it's a little quieter, but it does heat up a little bit more, and so I have to be careful that I don't ruin my project, and that's why I recommend just using a hair dryer. Okay, so I'm going to take you down to my project, and this little guy I just finished up. This was the November Club Couture transfer of November 2019, and I just did a very simple but fun design. I put it on once and did the white, and then I shifted it slightly and did the red over it, so it kind of gave it a little bit of a different look. But now I'm just going to take my embossing tool. I don't know if you can see. I've had for a while, and it's just small and easy for me to use, and I'm just going to take it and then you can kind of test run some areas. I mean, you can kind of tell. I don't know if you can tell on screen, but the color changes. Like you can tell that it's wet, and then it comes to like a drier consistency look. So I'm just gonna put that on there. So that probably needs just a little bit more, but you get the idea, right? So basically, get your projects to dry faster to be able to do the extra project on top of it when you're layering. Just blow dry it. Get your blow dryers out, girls. Okay. Hey, if you want more tips or want to see me do projects, or I do giveaways and sample packs in my VIP, just type in VIP. Would love to have you. If you want to shop for our products, just type in shop, and I'll get you a link for that. If you want to learn more about our exclusive monthly club, it's a $20 a month, and it gets shipped straight to your door. You get a B-size transfer, which I think is an 8.5 by 11, and 3 single paste packets. Great way to get started in with Club Couture, or with Chalk Couture. So you can just type in club, and I'll get you a link for that too. So thanks for joining me. Happy chalking. Thanks. Bye.